In our home, we make sure the minute we feel a scratchy throat, we have one of our beautiful superfood honeys. I suggest the green bee honey or the berry bee honey, which is loaded with extra vitamin C, with all the superfoods and adaptogens to heal you quickly. Our berry bee honey is excellent by the spoonful and also absolutely delicious with your favorite tea. Packed with methylglyoxal, which is a substance that has naturally antibacterial properties and is an excellent throat-coating cough suppressant thanks to its thick consistency. Children under 6 shouldn't have over-the-counter cough medicine. Our organic raw berry bee honey is a perfect substitute for when you would want to use cough syrup.